In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fill your own sandbags at home so you can secure your filming equipment and not overpay. I'm Andrew Can, and if I can, you can too. I was looking to buy a pre-filled sandbag the other day, and the price was higher than I remembered. I could make multiple sandbags for the price of one filled with shipping. So I decided to make my own sandbags and share this expertise with you. A link to everything I'm using in this video will be in my Amazon affiliate store down below. I use sandbags to secure my lights, light stands, tripods, sound blankets, my degree, myself, anything film related really. The last thing you want is to accidentally bump into your film equipment and it falls over and breaks. That's where the sandbags come in handy. I got these PBL sandbags on Amazon and they're rated for about 18 pounds or 8.1 kg. I'm going to be using them for my sandbags. Here's an itemized list for what you'll need to make these sandbags. The empty sandbags weighted to your needs. I go for 15 pounds personally since they are a good middle weight. 1 gallon containers for the sandbag filling so you don't damage the sandbag itself. You can get these at any dollar store. A way to scoop your filler into the gallon storage bag. I'm using a cup. Sandbag filler of choice. I utilize place sand, but you can use aquarium gravels, stone, rice, or a filler of your choice. I still use sand, since they make the least amount of noise when moving the sandbags on a busy set. An optional thing you may want is a scale so you know how much you're filling the bags with. It's important that you know the weight capacity of the sandbags you're using. I know that my sandbags are rated for 18 pounds, so I'll fill one sandbag to 15 pounds and the other to 10 pounds. Here's how to fill the sandbags. First, I recommend going outside to fill your sandbags. However, if you're like me and don't want to deal with the weather, start by placing a garbage bag under your sandbag filling area, so if you make a mistake, you don't spill your sand or filler of choice. Second, place your filler into your gallon bag. Remember there are 2 sides to the sandbag, so whatever the weight of your bag, divide this by 2. Third, fill the bags until your desired weight. Since I'm using 2 bags, one for 15 pounds and one for 10 pounds, my desired weight for the 15-pound bag would be 7.5 on each side, and for the 10, 5 on each side. Fourth, remember to get all of your air out of the bags and zip them up. Fifth, I double bag for protection and in case one of the storage bags breaks. Finally, place the storage bags into your sandbag, zip them up, and you're done. Now I have 2 sandbags for the price of about 1 filled. You can use sandbags for so many things. I'm using my 2 new sandbags right now to secure my moving blanket, which is helping improve my audio and visual for this video. Do you want to learn more filmmaking tips like this? Subscribe to this channel today and hit the bell notification to see the next video. Of course, if you don't have time to make your own sandbag, I'll make sure to include a link to a pre-filled sandbag in the affiliate store down below. I'm Andrew Can, and if I can, you can too.